Alright guys, today is my birthday and my first birthday gift just came in. My wife asked me earlier this week like what do I want for my birthday, and I told her I want a frying pan. Alright, so she was like, okay, a frying pan, no big deal, right? I mean, she was like, there are frying pans for $10 on Walmart, so I mean that's no big deal. I'm like, no, the frying pan that I want doesn't cost $10. So she was like, okay, how much could the frying pan cost? Is it like $20, $30? I'm like, no baby, no. The frying pan that I want actually costs $200. So she screamed when she heard $200. She was like, a frying pan for $200. Like, she was like, does it come with like a chef? Does it come with food? I'm like, no, it's just a frying pan, okay? Like, we are not, this frying pan is not for kids, okay? This is a professional grade frying pan. But for $200, I mean, I can hear that it could be a lot, but I mean, Gordon Ramsay himself is the one who markets this frying pan, so it better be good. It better be good. So it says like a hybrid kind of technology. Oh my God, you can already see how it is shining, right? It's giving professional grade chef. So yeah, it's giving Gordon Ramsay, like, all right. Okay, so this is the frying pan. This is it, guys. That is it. There is nothing else in the bag. $200. This is it. This is it. So what do you guys think of this frying pan? Do you guys think it's too much? Or if you've ever used this frying pan, do you guys think it is a fair price? Now, she didn't just get me a frying pan. She also got me a pot that goes with the frying pan. I'm someone that I usually do good. I mean, I'm not like boasting, but I do help people as much as I can, financially speaking. So if at least on my birthday I can get exactly what I want, yeah, I'm gonna be happy. So you guys should be ready for more cooking videos. Oh yeah, this is a big pot. Oh yeah, so it's a big pot, the same technology. Yeah, this is heavy, man. This is heavy. So I saw how they were heating the pan, but I'm not gonna do that. I am not gonna do that. Nobody is cooking in this frying pan except me. So yeah. All right. So happy birthday to me, and you guys have a good day. Bye.